Hey, you know what I got today? I got this! This is the RetiCAM smartphone tripod mount with XL conversion kit. Remove that little bit of cardboard and you get a pouch. Inside the pouch you have a little pocket for storage for whatever you want, the tripod mount itself, and the conversion kit. The tripod mount clamps onto your phone, grabs it, holds it in place, and on the bottom you have a standard screw that'll work with any tripod. If you want to use the conversion kit, it'll look a little bit like this. And now, phone meet monopod and... Alright, this is my first time holding out a monopod with the iPhone mounted on it with the mount that I got. Let's move it around a little bit, let's see how stable the shot is. Looking pretty good, I think. The only issue that I've discovered so far already though is that if you mount a larger phone, like for instance my iPhone 7 Plus, the tripod, though it looks sturdy, will look like it's bending a little, which is a little unnerving when you're using it with a phone that costs a lot of money and means something to you. So my conclusion, it's better than plastic, but it's not perfect by any means. If you have a smaller phone, this mount is amazing. If you have a bigger phone or you have a big-ish phone with a bigger, bulkier case, you might want to lose the case if you want to film stuff with this mount on. So that's it. If you enjoyed this little review, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more fun content, and I will talk to you guys later.